Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial features a stunning brown smoky look that you can achieve in under 5 minutes using a very easy and simple technique. This is perfect for getting ready quickly for parties and events. Even if you're a beginner, this video is just for you. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To get us started, you just need some tape. I cut a small piece of tape and place it at the inner corner of my eyelid like this. I know it might seem a bit strange, but this technique makes it easier to apply eyeshadow. So trust the process and follow along step by step exactly how I place the tape. Then I use a fluffy brush, which is known as the crease brush. Choose an eyeshadow color of your choice and start applying it from the inner corner of your eyelid. Make sure to cover all the corners of the eyelid where the tape creates a 90-degree angle. As you move towards the center of the eyelid, the eyeshadow should appear a bit lighter and smokier. It's a very easy technique. You just need to follow along with me step by step. Take your time for this step and blend the eyeshadow well. When extending the eyeshadow towards the center of your eyelid, it's better not to dip your brush into the eyeshadow again. Just blend the corners of the eyelid and continue towards the center, ensuring that the corners are darker and the center of the eyelid remains softly smoky. Also, you can use any eyeshadow color you have in mind for this eye makeup look. I switched to a smaller fluffy brush and applied the same eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid. Imagine that you are using this brush to apply eyeliner. Since you are using the tape as a guide, applying the eyeshadow will be easier. Also, don't extend the eyeshadow all the way to the inner corner. It should only blend in the middle area. In the end, you will see that the outer corner of your eyelid will have a stunning smoky eyeliner effect. I decided to apply more brown eyeshadow close to my lash line and also add some to the corners of my eyelid again. Now it's time to remove the tapes and see how the eyeshadow turned out. I start from the outer corner of my eyelid and as expected, our smoky eyeliner looks amazing. Don't be shocked by the inner corner. I know it looks a bit strange, but I will be fixing the eyeshadow in that area next, so don't miss this part. To fix it, you need a cotton swab and concealer. Using the cotton swab, I draw a curved line with the concealer. It's very easy. Just follow the natural shape of your eyelid. If there's any leftover eyeshadow, we can fix it in the same way with the concealer. To make it more sparkly, I want to apply some loose glitter close to my lash line, which is very simple and attractive. For this, I use a small brush to apply a bit of concealer to the center of my eyelid and then carefully use the brush to apply the loose glitter to that area until it's fully covered. You can see how easily the glitter sticks and there is no need for the glitter glue. You can also completely cover the center of your eyelid with shimmer eyeshadow or glitter based on your preference, as both techniques looks absolutely stunning. I noticed that I lost a bit of the eyeshadow at the beginning of my eyelid, so I'll fix that. Just look at how beautiful the result is. I absolutely love it. For the lower lash line, I used the same eyeshadow again, extending it only to the middle of my eyelid. This eye makeup technique is super easy. With just a simple eyeshadow, you can achieve a clean and beautiful eye makeup look. To finish up, you can use mascara or false eyelashes. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Also, if you're interested in beauty and makeup techniques, I upload tutorial videos every week, so do not miss any videos. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button to be notified. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.